the majority of the drivers drive their personal vehicles with their personal insurance with a personal auto policy. Well, in most personal auto policies, there's an exclusion for delivery for hire. But throughout that time, the drivers would say, I'm not working, or, it was much easier to get away with a claim where the personal auto insurance policy paid those smaller claims. Whereas what's happened, the last 5, 6, 7, 8 years is we kind of deem the Uberization of the industry or the gig economy space, where everybody is using their vehicles for delivery for hire. And the attorney, the legal world, the insurance world has all caught wind of this, obviously. So it's their first number one question. When there's an accident, were you doing delivery at the time of the accident?
Technology's also pushed it, right?
Correct.
Because back when we started, they were still drivers that were dispatched with walkie-talkies, radios. There was no trace there, right? Enter smartphones and all of the things that go with the dispatch software. And it's super easy now for claims counsel or, whoever's investigating it to say, well, hey, we know you were under dispatch and this occurred. We know you were on the clock. And now it pulls in all parties. Drivers by nature, just speaking to what Brian said, where they're a little transient in nature, they don't have a lot to weight assets. So if they just have a small personal auto policy limit that responds and there's a serious accident, someone's always looking for the deepest pockets, which is why they're coming after our final mile delivery companies, where the hired and non-owned is now seeing more severity and seeing more frequency of losses. That's what's making it so.
Well, and on top of that, they're driving their own vehicles. It's hard to find drivers. So let's be honest. What's the quality of the average driver?
Correct. Not always the best.
And yeah, that adds up quick.